Introducing AWOL, the brightest 4K tricolor laser projector with Dolby Atmos. By working with the most advanced engineers and manufacturers, AWOL uses the latest triple laser ultra short throw technology without a common color wheel to deliver more than 1 billion colors with more accuracy than a movie theater. Powered by Dolby Atmos sound that will blow your house away, sitting just 6 inches from any wall. With brightness up to 3500 peak lumens, AWOL brings the sharp details even under the ambient light. With HDR10+, witness the darkest darks and the brightest brights with striking clarity, all contained within an ultra-modern design. Displaying images up to 150 inches, shaped by keystone correction to fit any wall. AWOL 4K delivers a premium theatrical experience for TV lovers, gamers, and movie nights, indoors and out. Finally, a home theater projector better than movie theater quality. All you need is a wall. Introducing AWOL.
Welcome guys, my name is Carlos. I'm part of the product management team here at Epson. I'm in Epson's new headquarters in Southern California. Very excited to show to you the new EpiqVision Ultra LS300 Smart Streaming Laser Projector. The most amazing thing about the LS300 is that it can deliver a picture up to 120 inches, enhancing the way you watch your everyday content. The reason why this picture looks so great is because this projector is pushing 3600 lumens of brightness, both in white and in color, thanks to the 3-chip design, 3 LCD technology by Epson. Technology behind the LS300 is that of a laser ultra short throw projector. Laser means virtually no maintenance, no bulbs to replace, and ultra short throw means the projector is only a few feet from the picture. What's really exciting is that there's no wires attached to this projector beyond the power cord. You have wireless access to content thanks to the Android TV, and the built-in sound system is just amazing. You also have the option to drive content conveniently from your Apple or Google phone, tablet, or even computer thanks to the Chromecast system that it's built into the projector. Our engineers from Japan worked very closely with engineers from Yamaha to create a 2.1 speaker system that rivals that of soundbars. You can even turn off the picture and use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker and stream music directly from your phone. You can easily connect a different streaming device, a gaming console, or a Blu-ray player to it. And you can also go all the way with a full surround system with Atmos thanks to the HDMI auto return channel. It is hard to believe, but this picture could look even better with the right type of screen. Epson offers, as an option, the Epson Silverflex screen in sizes of 100-inch and 120-inch. If you really want to treat your family, this is amazing for casual gaming. For example, you and your kids will have a blast playing 4-up racing in a screen this size. Whether you're watching the latest Hollywood blockbuster or a live event like the Movie Awards, it's going to be so immersive that you're going to feel like you're there. Thank you for watching this short demo of the new Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS300 Smart Streaming Laser Projector, a new type of screenless TV experience.